Are you using AI to create a presentation but still want to follow your own custom PowerPoint template? In this video, I'll show you how you can create presentations within SlideSpeak using your own custom PowerPoint template. We will go through all the steps that are required to make a custom template like this one that includes slide layouts and a master template compatible with SlideSpeak. So let's dig into it. Simply head over to SlideSpeak, and then in the left-hand panel, you will see a tab called Branded Templates. Once you've clicked on that, you will get an overview of all the templates that you currently have configured within SlideSpeak. In order to add a new template, simply click on the Add Template button in the top right to add a new template. In order to add new templates to SlideSpeak, you first need to purchase our template add-on. Once you've done so, you will see this upload dialog where you can upload your custom template in a PPTX or POTX file format. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'm going to go ahead and select a PPTX file that contains a custom PowerPoint template configured with the SlideSpeak branding guidelines. Once the upload is done, it will take you to a page where you can book a quick 15-minute onboarding call with our team. During this call, we will show you how you can use your template within SlideSpeak, or your template doesn't work like you're expecting it to work within SlideSpeak, then you can adjust that within that call. I would highly recommend you to book this call in order to make sure that your custom template works properly within SlideSpeak. For the purpose of this demo, we're going to skip this step now. So let's close this by clicking here on the X. And you can see now that our custom template has been added here to the active template section. So let's go ahead to the next step and actually generate a presentation with that new custom template that we've just imported into SlideSpeak. So head over here on the left and click on the Home button. Once you're there, click on the Create Presentation with AI, and then for the purpose of this demo, we're going to create a presentation from a topic. Why don't we create a presentation about the history of SpaceX? Simply confirm that by clicking here on the Enter key. And then SlideSpeak will go ahead and generate an outline for your presentation. You can always adjust the outline by asking the AI assistant to make modifications. Otherwise, if you're happy with everything, you can simply click here on Generate Presentation. And now the process of actually generating your AI presentation will start, which might take a couple of seconds. So we're going to skip to the end of this. All right, as you can see now, the presentation has been generated and it's using our new custom template that we've configured within SlideSpeak. And as you can see here, the layouts that are configured within SlideSpeak are the same that we had in our PowerPoint template. You can also click here in the right-hand panel to see all the layouts that are configured within that template itself. And if we hop back into PowerPoint, then we'll see that those layouts are exactly the same ones that are configured within the PowerPoint template itself. And that's it. That's how easy it is to make your own custom PowerPoint template compatible with SlideSpeak's AI. You can now create presentations with AI within seconds instead of hours. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave a comment in the section below. I'll see you in the next video.